Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games from Google Play Store on Vivo X90 Pro, but you can't seem to find them. So first let's open a Google Play Store and actually try to find the games like Call of Duty, for example. Here we can see it, but if we click on it, nothing happens. The same is with most of the games like Diablo Immortal, I think, as well. And to fix this, go back to the main page of Google Play Store, click on your profile picture, then Settings, enter Family, go for Parental Controls. Right here, either disable parental controls entirely or go for Apps and Games, enter the PIN code, click on OK, enter the PIN code again, and increase PG to at least 16 or 18. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if we go back, we should be able to find the games. So here we have a Diablo, and the same Call of Duty. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.